This macaroni and cheese. It look good. Show you how to make this. Let's get into it. Alright, so what you want to do is boil your elbow noodles approximately 6 minutes. Drain them off. Let them cool. Put them in a baking dish. And semi-cool is fine. Just make sure that they're getting air and they're not all stuck together. Add you a tablespoon of butter. Mix that around. And we could start seasoning. Grab you some garlic powder, some pink Himalayan salt, some basil, some parsley, Italian seasoning. Gotta have that Italian in there. Some onion powder. Yeah, the flavors is coming together. So we're gonna mix this around. Gotta have those dried chives. If you love if you love the taste of sour cream and onion, chives might be a good flavor for you. So go ahead and mix that around. Take out half the seasoned noodles and set them to the side. That's going to be for the second half of the top layer. And you're going to get you a nice even layer on the bottom. Not too much because you are going to add another layer. So here I got some triple sharp cheddar, some Asiago, some Gouda, some provolone, and we're gonna go ahead and put a nice thick layer so that you can add the top layer of noodles. And you're gonna spread this around evenly, of course. And you're gonna add the same cheese mixture on top. This is what it should look like. You're gonna press it down a little bit. All right, so let's go ahead and get the egg and milk mixture. We got 3 eggs, some black pepper, some parsley, some pink Himalayan salt, just a dash, some onion powder, gotta have that Parmesan. And I'm not giving you measurements because you can add as much or as less as you like. It's totally up to you though. It's totally up to you. So let's go ahead and give that a good whipping. Whip it, whip it. I'm gonna add another egg because it was kind of runny. I did add 1 cup of whole milk and 1 cup of carnation milk, canned milk. So we're just gonna add some onion powder, some Creole seasoning, gotta have that little kicker in there. And like, this is a tip, adding the seasoning to the liquid would get it through the dish, definitely, as long as you mix up the liquid correctly. And we're gonna add a teaspoon of sugar and some more Parmesan. Gotta have this Parmesan. Stop playing. But again, it is up to you if you want it or not. So once you got your mixture all stirred up, let's go ahead and pour it over the top of the macaroni. And the top layer of cheese is going to be used kind of like a screen, and it's going to allow the mixture to seep through all of the noodles all the way down to the bottom. And you might have to poke it a little bit and move it around some just to let some of the liquid go down like this, but that's okay. Looking good. Let's go ahead and put the foil on it. Put the foil on it. Let's go ahead and throw it in the oven, 375 for 30 minutes. And then you're going to remove the foil and let it cook another 30 minutes. And this is what you got. Like that, bubbling. Now look. See what I'm saying? You cooking for Thanksgiving, right? You cooking. You can make the mac. You can make it. No matter what day it is, you can make it. And that's the end product. You let it cool for about 20 minutes. And that's what you got right here. That's what you got right here. Look at that. Yeah. That's what you was looking for. That baked macaroni. I always make sure that I brown mine's on the bottom. I kind of like the burnt cheese. Gives you awesome flavor, especially with like the Asiago and the Gouda and the sharp. It gives you great flavors. But that's what you want. That baked macaroni. So don't try to chew me out about my macaroni being burnt on the bottom. I like it that way. And all of that is just burnt up cheese, the egg, all of that. Yo, if you're a pasta lover, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow it, all that. I'll catch you on the next recipe. If you try it, let me know. Hit me. Gone.